Why property is a bad investment? I'm sure you've heard that being told to time and time again. And yet, despite being told why property is a bad investment, you might be hearing how other people are making a lot of money by investing in property. Well, one of the reasons why property is a bad investment is because there are people who jump in the deep end. They haven't got a clue what they're doing. They buy properties, they pay too much for it, they don't realize what renovation costs are needed, and they end up losing money. So before you know it, what do they blame? They blame property as being a bad investment, whereas the blame lies within themselves. So that is my number one tip. If you're looking to invest in property, make sure you're well educated and know exactly what you're doing. Otherwise, property will become a bad investment for you. Number two, okay, the reason why property is a bad investment is because it depends on the time, and it can depend on the market and what the economy is like. As we know, over time, long term, property values always increase. So when you decide to invest in property, you've got to do so at the right time and for the right price. Otherwise, property will become a bad investment for you. No matter what you pay for property, if you pay way above, okay, what the property is worth, and then you spend a lot of money renovating that property, it means that the debt that you get involved, you get sucked into by investing in that particular property has grown, has added up and added up and added up. So for you to recoup your return on investment with the money that you've invested in property means it could take you a very, very long time. Maybe that period of time is going to be too long, so you end up selling at a loss, which means property becomes a bad investment. And who do you blame? Property. I'm sure some of you can resonate with this video. They're my tips as to why property can be a bad investment. So please do subscribe, give us a like if you haven't already done so. Share this video so that hopefully it can help other people invest properly and profitably into property. So till next time, folks, I'll see you soon. Take care. Ciao for now.